If you have recorded a video footage with audio, in audio here's a lot of noise, then this tutorial review will show you how you can fix the audio and how to remove background noise in CapCut. Open your CapCut app and create a new project, and I'm gonna selecting a dummy video footage here, and I'm gonna split the video footage, and at the last part I'm going to adding the reduce noise effect, and here turn on this nut reduce noise, and this part is without reduce noise effect and this part is with reduce noise effect. Now let's see the difference between these two clips. This tutorial review will show you how to fix audio and remove background. So this is how we can remove background noise from video in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.